he's heading for the park.
We'll go to Beckett's Park.
Which is, unfortunately for the cops, pedestrianised.
We'll take Bedford Road, Beckett's Park.
Lewis hammers the van to block the park entrance.
There he is.
They're on the suspect's tail,
We're behind him in the van.
but they may be too late.
He's in. Beckett's Park, along the canal path.
Because their guy has reached the park and has two advantages over Lewis. A massive head start and a bike.
Go. Let borrow your bike. Let me borrow your bike. Thank you.
But interceptors don't give up that easily. And with a loan from the public,
Up there.
Lewis is burning rubber in pursuit.
We're going across Beckett's Park towards Bedford Road. Go left, backwards and forwards. Nicky Cross. He's at the top of Bedford Park.
Lewis is a fan of Hot Fuzz and the Blues Brothers, and this chase wouldn't look out of place in either. He's also a Civil War reenactor. And as he drops his steed into second, the Cavalier Copper is making ground on his foe.
Nicky Cross towards Martians. I'm on a bike, I'm in pursuit.
Who's now out of the park on an adjacent pavement, unaware of the mounted cavalryman galloping from the trees nearby. As he nears the park exit, Lewis is on a collision course for the oblivious dealer. He's out of the park, across the road, and bang on target.